guys, in today's video, we're gonna make a shrimp avocado salad that's super fresh, delicious. You can use it as a side or turn it into a main meal. Let's get started. To start this salad, I'm going to first cook my shrimp on a large pan over medium-high heat. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, and I'm using frozen shrimp that I've already thawed out so they are ready to go. And I wanna cook them just long enough until my shrimp turn opaque. They're no longer whitish looking, they're fully pink, okay? And at this point, I'm just gonna remove them from my skillet or pan and set them aside on the plate. Now, if your shrimp is already cooked and ready to go, just use it straight into the salad. But while mine cool down, I'm going to assemble the rest of my salad ingredients. I have some ripe cherry tomatoes that I'm simply going to slice in half and put them in my salad bowl. Now, if you're making a salad with big ripe tomatoes when they're in season, feel free to use those. I just had cherry around. Next, I'm going to add my cooked shrimp in my bowl, the corn, and I have an avocado here that I'm going to slice in half, remove the pit, and dice it straight into my bowl. To finish this off, I'm gonna add some feta cheese. I love feta cheese, but if you don't do feta, don't worry, it just goes great here. It adds a tangy, creamy element, so we're gonna mix it together. It's gonna be so good. By the way, if you enjoy fresh, simple salads like this, give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more on my channel. It lets me know that this is the kind of food you want to eat. And by the way, I'm also gonna include all the measurements in the description box below. Now this year, my basil in the backyard is surviving, miracle. So I'm gonna chop it up and add it into my salad bowl. It really brightens the rest of the other ingredients and it gives the salad a really summery feel. Lastly, before we dig in, we have to give it some dressing and give it seasoning. So I'm just going to make a quick vinaigrette in this jar by combining olive oil, balsamic vinegar, some lime juice, salt, pepper, and a pinch of cumin. I'm going to give everything a good shake to emulsify the oil and vinegar, and I'm gonna drizzle it right over my salad. Finally, we just toss all the ingredients. Check out the freshness and the colorful of this. Oh my goodness, like all those fresh veggies, that fresh lime vinaigrette, you've gotta try it. Grab the recipe and see you guys next time.